Hello, good evening, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath channel. So, very glad to inform. So many students they are watching the videos and they are commenting and they are asking for PDF files. So here we are uploading the PDF files also. You can get the PDF files in the description box. From there you can download the PDF. So here we are going to see now chapter 8 Pythagoras. Only Pythagoras we are having from the geometry part. So here the ladder is 25 meter long, reaches a window of a building 20 meters above the ground. Determine the distance of the foot of the ladder from the building. So here in the figure it is given MNP is 90 degrees, MNP is 90 degrees, NQ is perpendicular to MP and MQ is 9, QP is equal to 4. What is NQ? Find the side and the perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeters. So here you have to use all Pythagoras theorems. If the diagonal of a square is 7 root 2 centimeters, what is the area of the square? Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length are 35 centimeters and breadth is 12 centimeters. If the right angle triangle is the sum of the squares of the sides making an angle right angle is 169, then what is the length of the hypotenuse? Okay, height and base of a right angle triangle are 24 and 18 centimeters. Find the length of the hypotenuse. Do 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter form a right angle triangle. Give reason. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Very important question. So right angle triangle, let's see, prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. AB square equal to 2AC square. Shiva walks 12 meters due east and turns left and walks another side 5 meters. How far did he from the place he started? Very important question. This is also a ladder is of length x meters is leaning against a wall of making an angle theta. What with the ground? Which trigonometric ratio would you like to consider to find the height of the point on the wall at which the ladder is touching? It is you have to think and you have to write. In a triangle in a given figure, AD is perpendicular to BC. Prove that AB square plus CD square is equal to BD plus AC square. A wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters and 24 meters long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? It is also an important question. Next 4 mark questions. If O is a point inside a rectangle ABCD, then prove that OB square plus OD square equal to OA square plus OC square. Very important question. PQR is a triangle right angle at P and M is the point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR, so that PM square is equal to QM into MR. Very important question. Next question, prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Very important question. In a triangle ABC, angle C90, CD is perpendicular to AB. Prove that BC square by AB AC square equal to BD by AD. Figure is given. You have to write the value BC square by AC square value. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 6 meters, more than twice the smallest side. Length of the third side is 2 meters less than the hypotenuse. Find the length of its sides. It is also an important question. Prove that in an isosceles triangle right angle at C, prove that AB square equal to 2AC square. In a triangle ABC, AD perpendicular to BC, AD square is equal to BD into CD. Prove that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Figure is given. ABC is a right angle at B. Let D and E be the points on AB and BC respectively. Prove that AE square plus CD square equal to AC square plus DE square. Prove that the 3 times the square of a side of a equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. This is also an important question. Next, Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meters, very important question, stand on a plain ground. The distance between the feet of the poles is 12 meter. Find the distance between the tops. It is given in application of trigonometry. Okay, the wire attached to the vertical pole of height 18 meters is 24 meters long and has a stake attached on the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be thought? A ladder is 15 meters long, reaches a window which is 9 meters above the ground on one side of a street. Keeping its foot on the same point, the ladder is turned to the other side of the street to reach the window 12 meters high. Find the width of the street. Very important. If the triangle PQR with a right angle at Q, then the value of is x. The angle P is x, PQ is 7 centimeters, QR is 24. Find the value of sin x cos x. So these are the questions from chapter 8. Only Pythagoras theorem is there. So thank you for watching the video. So if you are interested, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching the video.